Hello, friend. Welcome back. In this section, we will discuss about our profile page image preview. When just click image, suppose goes to download here. Just make take its avatar, and this avatar is preview in here and also as well as in here. Okay, so I will show you how to share for this. So let's go our code editor. Now our need yeah, setting.blade our need to be master actually. Go to master, not master, it will be our script. Yeah. uh, we will try our JavaScript in here actually, friend. Okay. So better. We need to make some copy and a comment actually, not copy. I will share every step by step. So photo preview script. Be remember for that all of the script will be initialized in here. It will be the best practice actually. Now script. So dollar or document dot ready dollar document dot ready. It will be function document dot ready function dollar photo. At photo will be, I'll show you this ID when you place on change. Now it will be function event actually. Function event. So constant file event dot target dot files. If file dollar photo preview dot attribute. Attribute will be source actually. Create object URL. Object URL. It will be capital letter actually. File. Maybe it a dot CSS. And display block. Okay. Yeah. It. So I will discuss about our code. Um, this is our index page. Index page, we work only our image preview actually. So now address profile image here. Look at this ID photo. Okay. So our script here, photo on change, file is stored in target file is stored in into the variable file. If file has been exist, now photo preview also shown. So which place into put this id. This id will be our, look at a sidebar. We remember for that sidebar has the image actually, friend. Okay, sidebar has the image. So use the helper function actually. Asset, asset will be back back end, not back end. Yeah, asset back in, but create some logic actually. So better. Now the put id actually. So id will be photo preview. Okay, just copy of the id. uh, just id equal to that's it, photo preview. And we build some logic actually of our source. Looks like here I keep some space. This id is like what, yeah. It will be the user photo, then show will be asset auth user photo, else. Yes. So we make the condition like similar as like something. So okay. Suppose if user has photo, definitely shows the database photo. Otherwise, the photo will be shown in our by default static avatar. So how comes it? Go to our browser. Here is my browser, so just keep reload. Hi, here we just yes, image is shown, but uploads avatar. Avatar will be here. Just I choose it. I choose it. No avatar will be shown. So what is happening in here? So I just check it. Okay. Okay, I get a couple of mistake here. First of all, here look at that. I assign this ID is photo, but here of my screen here is the capital letter. It's a case sensitive issue, so it's be very careful of the typo, but it will be happen regularly. But don't worry. But remember for that, I will give in all the section wise source code you will get under the video description, and just check it. Or you, if you face any kinds of issue, you definitely comment for that, and as much as possible I will uh, try to replay this answer. So better, here is the key photo, and another issue will be CA change spelling is mistake. Okay, friend. So now CACNG, that's fine. I hope it will be worked. Now go to our browser. Okay, just make reload this page and choose another time. What will be happen for the next? Just check it. Yeah, image will be shown. Okay. So our work will be done, but next section I will be try to the submit form, and it will be I will try microservice architecture followed. Because of that, first of all, I will discuss in that section. So keep with us. And also, once again, I will say that if you like my videos, please like and subscribe of my channel. Your small contribution grow a large, and I committed to try my best as much possible. And after finishing this course, it will be very long, because I will once again shows what I have actually built. Actually, I build in here. Okay, actually, I build in here. It's not so funny, but it's literally 100% pixel perfect to develop in this. And it will be, I will challenge and promising for that. So such a comprehensive application have you ever seen in YouTube. Look at the search functionality, categories, business. You can also filtering here the instructor is a couple of instructors. So but you choose, if you choose Alex Smith, only Alex Smith is what type of filtering I have to make. This is a very professional. It's not a tutorial. I just my client project to record yourself to. If you complete properly, and I guaranteed you can got a job. You are very much fluent in as a Laravel developer, and I am use the Laravel version 1. So lots of technique I have to share with you. Please keep patience and also support my channel. Thank you so much.